How to edit videos in Adobe Lightroom. First of all, open the app and tap the video that you want to edit from your device. Once the video is imported, you will see the editing interface similar to photo editing with tools like light, color, effect, crop, and trim available. Start by trimming your video to remove unwanted sections using the trim tool. Then adjust exposure, contrast, highlight, and shadows under the light section to enhance brightness and details. Next, use the color tools to adjust temperature, tint, vibrance, and saturation to make the colors pop. You can also apply presets to give your video a specific style or cinematic look quickly. Use the crop and rotate tool to adjust the framing or aspect ratio of your device. After finishing all edits, tap export to save your video in high quality. Now you know how to edit videos in Adobe Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips.